Yeah, today we attended the session from Shrikant on leadership reflections, and I was thinking of when we went to the pottery session. I mean, when we put our hands on the pottery, and we found it how difficult it is to mold it that pottery. I mean, we should also understand that what our employees go through when they actually work on the job. It's very easier said than done. That you do it on time, you do it properly, and but when doing yourself, then we understand that what is the
What these people go through
exactly. So
themselves.
what these people go through, and that is a good learning that we got to think of that. And attending Shrikant's session, that came to our mind that we already had that experience, and like that, this is a good thing that we learnt in this being in the nature and all.
Yeah, and
So
many a times we don't get a chance to put our hands, on the job.
yeah,
So
yeah.
doing that pottery thing was very good experience.
Mm-hmm.
And once you get to actually doing it, you can do it. You can do it better, and
Correct, correct.
with experience, you can make a very good product out of it.
Yeah, yeah,
And when you do yourself, you can teach others better.
exactly. And see, we went to the nature tour today, the village tour, and we saw people who is having this sustainable lifestyle by doing their own things and selling them off. And so they are not very literate, but they have tried to pull up themselves to a certain level that they can sustain their life by doing all these things. So that is another thing that a leader should also think of, that the employee should be having a sustainable life by himself. It's not only dependent on the company as say per se, but he should also understand that they should self-sustain while working and get the whatever.
These activities also make the village self-sufficient.
Yeah.
They don't have to go out for the jobs, and they earn their own money with their own, working with their own hands.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
providing these opportunities is a big leadership input.
Correct, and I think I missed the nature trail today. You went there. I know there was some walk, and you saw some nature. Anything?
Yeah, we walked almost for an hour, and it was a great experience. It was good learning that there's nothing which goes waste. Like we saw one tree with a lot of termites.
Okay.
They eat only the dry wood.
Okay.
They don't kill the tree as such,
Right.
and there's no other animal or insect which does that. So even the dead wood doesn't go waste.
Yeah, that is waste is another point that Shrikant told us today. That like he emphasized on the talent wasted in the employee in the organization. That we do not put the proper people in the proper place, and the talent gets wasted. So that is another thing to look forward in our organization when we go back, and we should introspect on that idea and implement some things so that
Make the best of the resources and
Correct,
reduce
correct,
wastage
correct.
as much as possible.
Right.
And it will be good for the environment also.
Right.
And even for human sustainability.
Yeah.